friends and family. Well, look who we got in the house today. So Annette's come down, and I said to Annette, well, since you're in Christchurch, you might as well come around and have a play. And Annette came round, and I was just knee-deep in rubbish because I'm sorting out, I'm moving all of the shop into another area, so I'm just trying to get all that cleaned out. Never mind. And then Annette said to me, you know, I use ultra-fast resin, I can pour it that deep. That deep. I said, no, you can't pour it that deep. You can only pour it 5 to 7 mil. Anything over that, it's going to exotherm, smoke, crack, and we're going to have big problems. She goes, no, you can definitely go that thick. And I said, okay, so what we're doing, guys, is we're mixing up 3 litres of resin, and if we get away with it, we get away with it, and if we don't get away with it, and that's going to give me 120 bucks.
Anyway, cracking on. First up, I'm just going to mix up the resin, so we'll just video that. Rightio, 3 litres. Jeez, I'm trying to turn it on, but it's had a hard life. So the good people down at the scale shop will be coming to see you for a major service. As you'll notice, all our hardener bottles now, they've all got child-proof lids on, and there's just new regulation by law.
You're the expert.
Right, you do. I tell you, I'm the wine resin guy. Wine. Back into there. That into there. And that should be mixed. Okay. Yeah, my fingers are sticky. They're my sticky fingers. Okay. How much of each? Got there?
Yep.
So
Audio, how are we going to pour this?
I'm going to watch the expert.
I don't know, you tell me how you want to pour it. Rightio. So, see, I don't normally do pours like this, so I'll just...
Yep, you just play.
No.
Just dribble.
Okay guys, so we'll check in a couple of hours. I expect this to smoke, crack, and I can't come in here because there's so much smoke. Annette says it's going to be sweet as. What's it doing? What's it doing, Annette?
It's smoking, but you made it smoke.
I made it smoke.
Yeah, he did it. It wasn't smoking until he played with
Just
it.
give extra flavour to the fun.
Yeah.
Boom. No, my picture's gone.
No, it's actually still there, bro.
It's just still
I
there.
just went to pop the bubbles, but
I wasn't smoking until you did that, though.
I just went over the heat gun very quickly
Not really.
to pop the bubbles.
There was no smoke until you did that.
So, do you use this side or the other side? See, if it cracks, it doesn't matter.
Yeah.
Just put another
See,
resin
like,
in it.
you look at that's not.
Yeah, but that's a smaller volume.
Yeah.
Does yours smoke? It must do. If it cures in 2 hours, it must be smoking.
These ones?
Yeah.
No.
No, these ones.
Oh, no, I haven't done these ones. I've done these
That's why I
ones.
poured that. You told me.
Huh?
You told me you poured that thick.
Yeah.
And the size.
Yeah, it would be that
And
size.
then you push it into a bowl.
Yes,
And it doesn't smoke. Okay, well that one's smoking.
it is smoking.
It's the smoking fishtail board.